Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any folder act like a drive in Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, say I have one folder here on my desktop screen. So let me try to open it. So I have some files here inside it. So in order to make this folder act like a drive, what you need to do is on the blank area of your desktop screen, just right mouse click and click on this new and just select this shortcut option. Now here just click on this browse and select the folder location where you have saved the respective folders. So in my case it's in the desktop. So here you can see, select the folder and click on OK. Now the folder location will be added here. So now just before the folder location you need to add some commands. Just type SUBST space. Now give any drive letter, whatever letter you want to give. So in my case I will give a X and put a semicolon, hit space, and now just before the C just put a double inverted comma start. Now similarly at the ending point just add double inverted comma close. So now your complete folder path location is being added. Just click on next. Now give the shortcut name, whatever name you want to give. I will give it a drive. Click on finish. So now finally we have created a shortcut here. So now let me try to open the file explorer. So now you can see here in my file explorer I have only two different drives here. So now once I double left click on this respective shortcut, so now you can see here one new drive is showing up. So it's nothing but the respective folder which is acting like a drive. So let me open it. So you can see it's showing only the respective files present inside this respective folder. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make any folder act like a drive in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.